Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix mouse PI for hire game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. Now the first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to clear mouse PI for hires cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for mouse PI for hire game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this solution. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account and after adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run the mouse PI for hire from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type mouse PI for hire in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and see if it helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. If you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Then restart your console and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and save it and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall mouse PI for hire game. So simply uninstall mouse PI for hire game from Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve mouse PI for hire game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.